Uh-oh, a kitten is stuck high up in a tree.
Don't worry, firefighter Fiona and her team are on the way.
With flashing lights and loud sirens, the fire truck zooms through the city. Fiona climbs the tall ladder while firefighter Ben holds it steady.
Careful, gotcha. The kitten is safe and sound.
Great job, team.
Firefighters help people every day, and they work together to do it. Remember, teamwork, safety, and kindness make every day a rescue mission. See you next time for more firefighter fun.